Welcome back to News 4 Great Day. I'm so excited. You know, the weather's getting warmer. That excites me. I think everybody would agree that there's nothing better than drinking an ice-cold beverage on a super hot late spring or summer day. Well, Chef Martin Lopez joins us this morning with a recipe for Agua Fresca, or fresh fruit drinks in simpler terms. Now, Martin, you made this on our set years ago. Unfortunately, you can't be in the studio with us today, but we can still show people how to make it from home, right?
Absolutely. And that's one of the things, Ken, that this time of the year, you start to work on the yard and you're craving something refreshing. Well, we did it many years ago, but I wanted to bring this back again because I get a lot of requests for this specific recipe because it's very delicious. A Mexican Agua Fresca, it's a fresh fruit drink. Basically 4 ingredients. It's fresh fruit, sugar, ice, and water. So the way it's going to happen today, I have a little twist to that. What we're making, everybody is familiar, for most people are familiar with the hibiscus or Jamaica tea, which is a red, delicious, really beautiful drink to drink when you're thirsty. But today we're going to be making really quick an horchata water. And it's got a little twist to it because the horchata water is traditionally made with rice and milk. This time we're gonna put a little bit of coconut and we're gonna put almonds and Mexican all organic coffee, which is absolutely delicious.
Ooh, wow.
So are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's get to that then. All right, so I got a pot of water boiling right here, which is about 3 cups. As you can tell, it's nice and hot. Now, when it gets to that point, you wanna stop cooking it, all right? We don't wanna turn this into a rice pudding. So I'm gonna put my coconut. I'm gonna put my organic Mexican coffee, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of almonds, and then 1 sliver of Mexican cinnamon.
Okay.
I'm gonna cover this up and I'm gonna forget about it for overnight. Next day, you're gonna come back and you're gonna blend it like a smoothie. And then you're gonna make sure that you strain everything really, really good. When you're gonna come up, you're gonna get rid of the solids, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of coconut milk, and you're gonna end up with something like this. Absolutely delicious, that you can drink it over ice. And if you want a little extra adult beverage, you can add a little bit of vodka or a little bit of rum and do the same thing. And let me tell you, Ken, this is going to make you so happy when you're working out in the yard. I guarantee you happiness.
You know, now, when you said leave it alone overnight, we leave it out on the counter. We don't have to refrigerate it, right?
Yeah, you don't necessarily need to refrigerate it. It's probably best to, once it's completely cool, just put it in the fridge. You can even, you know what I did last night? I put it in the blender. So this morning, all I did was just put it in the blender. You know, blend it up like a smoothie, and it's really, really delicious.
I can almost taste it now. And we're excited because we know Chef Martin,
we're going to have to go get some.
Won't be long, and we'll have him back in the studio making these recipes for us, and we look forward to that day. Thank you so much, Chef. Great to see you.
Great to see you guys. I'll see you soon, St. Louis.
All righty. You can find more on Chef Martin's recipes on his Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook pages by searching the username Chef Martin Lopez, or at chefmartinlopez.com. And of course, we're going to post this recipe at KMOV.com/greatday right after the show.